So these problems have to do with momentum, and then we want to find how much the energy changes in the collision. Let me give you this clue, is that when these gliders stick together, when anything sticks together, when a bullet sticks in a block of wood, when two gliders stick together, kinetic energy is not conserved. So let's draw a little picture of this. Now momentum is conserved. Momentum's always conserved, but the kinetic energy is not. So here's our 230 gram glider, and here's our 400. And these guys are hitting each other head on, right? So this is 0.23 and this is 0.45. This guy's going negative 0.78. That's how I make them hit head on, right? This the other way I'll just say is negative, and this guy's going positive 0.21, right? And then afterwards they are stuck together. Okay, and they're moving at some velocity, right? And then this is going to be, 0.23 plus 0.45. That's going to be 0.68 kilograms of stuff, right? These are kilograms. Those are meters per second, right? All right, so now we're ready. We can solve our momentum problem, right? So 0.23 times 0.21 plus 0.45 times negative 0.78. It's almost certainly going to be more, right? Okay, equals 0.68 times V. All right, here we go. So 0.23 times 0.21, 0.23 times 0.21, plus 0.45 times negative 0.78 is that. Now divide that by 0.68. I get that the velocity is, this velocity is negative 0.445147. It's kind of important that we don't round that too much, because when we do kinetic energy, we'll use like 1/2 mv squared. Okay. All right, so here we go. So now we're going to figure out the kinetic energy before. So 1/2 0.23 times 0.21 squared, right, plus 1/2 0.45. Remember, our formula is KE is 1/2 mv squared, right? Okay. Times 0.78 squared. Be careful you don't put the minus sign in here, or if you do, put the parentheses around it, because TI calculators will do an interesting thing if you square a negative number. Okay, so 0.5 times 0.23 times 0.21 squared. Is that right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, plus 0.5 times 0.45 times 0.78 squared. And I get that this total kinetic energy is a grand total of 0.1419615 joules, right? And then this kinetic energy is 1/2 0.68 times 0.445147 squared. So 0.5 times 0.68 times, I'm going to go parentheses. I'm going up to that number, right parenthesis, squared. And this is 0.067373 joules, right? And then the amount of energy lost, I need to subtract those. So I'm going to go up arrow to that one, minus up arrow to that one. This minus this. Here we go. Okay, that equals 0.074588. Right, which would be 0.746. Whoops. Okay, and notice how we got this negative answer for our velocity. Notice how that one's positive. That's because these questions we're asking for the speed. Okay, speed is not positive or negative. It's always positive because it's a scalar. We don't care about the direction of it. Alrighty. Thank you very much for paying attention here in Blue Pen Land.